Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing an electronic review. The item that I'll be reviewing is by a company called Meko. It's a 2.4 GHz wireless mini keyboard. Um, in another word, it's an air mouse, okay? As you can see, it clearly says it here, air mouse, QWERTY keyboard, compatible with Android, Windows, Mac, OS, Linux. Basically anything that has a Bluetooth built in, it will work with those. Okay, so this is for those stuff. For example, if you got I think for example Apple TV or Android TV, you will need a actual air mouse or something that can control it. Okay, and this is one of them. Now, this air mouse, as you can see, it is with gyroscope. Okay, it's so what comes with it is that it comes with the user guide manual, a micro USB charging cable, a USB port, which imagine you're using the Android TV. Basically you will have to insert that onto the actual device to start using this. Otherwise it won't really work if you don't insert this. The actual remote here, as you can see, is actually the size of the actual remote. Very slim, as you can see here. It has the very nice metallic design. It got buttons both sides, as you can see. At the back, it's made in a way where usually people, when you hold it like this, okay, I'm using the thing, so you got all the easy buttons there, like for example, okay, up, down, left, right, volume down, volume up, power button, it got home button, menu, etc. At the front, it got all the buttons basically. This is basically like a keyboard here. So you got all the letters, as you can see, A, and so it's basically like your smartphone here. Okay, so this is just purely just typing if you're searching on the internet or anything like that, so it makes it very easy. The only downside I would mention here is the fact that it doesn't have the actual touchscreen mouse. If it was touchscreen mouse, it would be easier to navigate through, whereas having buttons is difficult. And I've experienced that because I've seen the difference with having a mouse built in to your air mouse is a lot easier to control than having a button, which is very difficult because some of these films that you watch, you will have to actually get the mouse on top of the pause button and press it, whereas you can't do the buttons. So that's the only downside of the actual thing. But overall, it is a perfect mouse. Okay, it is a rechargeable mouse at the same time as well. And you got a lot of, as you can see, it's very nice, very compact as well. It's a size that you can put in your pocket or anywhere. And on top of that, it's basically an anti-shake thing. So even if you shake it, okay, it won't really on the actual screen or what you're controlling, you won't really move, okay, because it has the thing ability to actually move with your hands as well. Okay. Other than that, all I could say is it's lightweight and is easy to use. Okay. Here's some more specification of this. As you can see here, I think I mentioned everything, and it's all I could say is if you are interested in this mouse, it's by a company called Meko. It's a 2.4 GHz wireless mini keyboard. Just go on Amazon, just type in that whatever description is on my actual channel, okay, and you will it will come up. Okay, you'll find out various ones, but if you're looking for a nice, stylish looking one like this, then it is very good. In my rating, if I rate this, I would rate this around 7 out of 10. It's because that, like I mentioned, it doesn't have a touchscreen pad where you can control it, mouse. Okay, and the fact that that's all I could say. Okay, it's the fact that it doesn't have a mouse, and that just makes the rating go down because most Android TVs, they need that kind of thing. Okay, them kind of features. So thank you for watching my video. Please give a like and subscribe.